Hello everybody, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm gonna show you the troubleshooting part of WebSphere portal administration. How to do the troubleshooting. So after completing this unit, you should be able to understand, locate the relevant log file, articulate the problem determination methodology, use IBM support assistant, determine the techniques for isolating problem components, and trace portal 8 problems and monitor for performance. So before we go for further discussion, let us see what are the various logging mechanisms that we have in WebSphere portal. While installation phase, while configuration phase, while deployment phase, we will face errors and they will be written in the logs. So these are the three phases we have, and WebSphere and WebSphere portal generate many log files that are useful in problem resolution. Depending on the nature of the problem, we are examining the most likely the log first and moving out to the other possible candidates until we resolve the problem. Now, portal installation log file located at WP profile root log directory, and the configuration log files in the the configuration log files are in the config engine log directory. This is the area where your config engine tasks fails. You have to come and look here. The first one, the WP profile root log directory, will contain your portal, system out, system error, native standard out, native standard error, these log files. So there is another location which is your profile root log server 1 and profile root logs WebSphere portal directory. Again, these are all portal logs. Your deployment manager logs DMGR directory, and your deployment manager logs FFDC, first information data capture. So these are the most important log files that you should look when something wrong happens in WebSphere portal. You must look all these files, and above all the most important is plugin logs, which examine the HTTP servers http.conf file for plugin installation location. So the plugin logs are located in your HTTP server. So let us look at more about tracing. Tracing is the examination of the logs in depth, in detail. So if you want to see in detail than in your system out, then you should enable trace, and it will write more particular to that specific string. It will enable the complete logging, and there are different type of trace settings also. Let us examine them. Tracing requires detailed knowledge of portal architecture. That is very important. So narrow down the resolution probabilities to specific portal subsystems. Run trace from WebSphere administrative console. Here is a very important point. You should enable trace in portal in two ways: one from WAS admin console, one from portal admin console. If you enable a trace string using portal admin console, that is a temporary, and when you restart your portal server, that will go off automatically. When you enable through WAS, it's not temporary, and when you restart, unless you remove and restart your portal servers, this trace will be on forever. How to enable trace via WebSphere application server console or WAS console? Simply go to the troubleshooting section, logs and trace. In the logs and tracing window, click the WebSphere portal server name, click diagnostic trace, and click the log format and set log detail levels here. So let us see what is that log details. So this is how you have to go. Select the appropriate server, click diagnostic trace, change log level details, okay, and then log detail levels. The log detail levels are by default set to info, and you should select one of the below trace applicable to you. So let us see few of the examples of the traces. If you want to look out for the access control issues, you have to use com ibm wps.ac.star. Go above and you see there ibm.wps.ac.star. If you want to see the authentication related issues, you should use that string. Database related issues, you should use that string. Personalization, portal search, portlet container services, XML access configuration, you should use the respective strings here. and you should apply. So checkpoint trace string for access control is the second option. Com IBM WPS.ac.star. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.